Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add ID column to payment method table in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce setting and then we are in payment tab and scroll down, you see we have payment method enabled. So we are going to show ID also. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down, on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto install location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to WooCommerce setting. So we are in payment tab. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see payment method and then you see payment method name ID. Now you see PayPal checkout, cash on delivery, check payment, and then you see check ID. So you can use this payment method ID in any custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.